deep in the shadows.
Hi guys, happy Saturday. So punta tayo ngayon ng Silita Mall. Kasama natin si Daddy. Hi Daddy. So today is April 12 and my elder son birthday. So he's 11 years old today. Yan. Yeah. So si Maymay lang kasama natin. She like to walk a lot now. She don't like carry. Wow. She's so happy when she's walking like this. But sometimes scary because like she's running. See? So cute. She's so cute. Wow. Oh, hot. Go away.
This side, this side.
Wait. This side. Init ng panahon.
We go to the ship. We go to the ship.
Ayan.
Okay.
So, kakabalik lang pala nila Daddy. Nagpunta si Daddy sa ano. Ay, Daddy, where you been just now? Expo.
Expo.
Yeah, Expo. Bumili si Daddy ng ano, ng baril. Yan, he bought gun. Other than birthday present. So, bili tayo ng ano, bili tayo ng cake ni ano. Right? Only this one. So, don't have other cake. Yeah. Let's go. Okay, so, ito yung pupuhanin natin. Ito masarap din to, mango tropical. Last time I got this one for Daddy. Yeah. Can I have one strawberry shortcake?
This is the yeah.
Hindi tayo sa Bengo Solo. Oh, ito. The time we eat this one, they don't like much, right? Okay, so we buy a candle here. Hi guys, nandito na tayo sa bahay. And nag-start na ako magluto ng ano, ng ihanda natin para kay Kuya. So magluluto ako ng carbonara, then aglio olio para sa mga binan ko kasi ano sila today, vegetarian. So bawal ang meat sa kanila. Any kind of meat, bawal. So yon, and makiprito ako mamaya ng Shanghai. So yung Shanghai na iluluto ko, ano siya, veggie also. So samahan niyo ako magluto. So, ayan, ito yung ano natin. Handa ni Kuya. Yan. Okay. And sauce. Ito,
Alden, Jaden, come here. Let's eat.
Sita? The one? Okay, you want to play with Coco? You want to play with Coco, Jaden? Aiden? Play? Okay. Okay, go.
Aiden, because, Mommy. There are two of them looking at Aiden only. The parents don't know. Oh,
Mommy, go. Papa, go Choco. Go the Thailand.
Ayan, gawa ni Agnes. Nilaw ma. They call this an agar-agar. Coconut. Coconut siya. So, ito yung cake ni Kuya.
有啊。
没有，等一下我照片换，让你没过来过讲哈。
完了，过
有
几天。
他的 photo 啊。
I do na, Daddy. I do.
Happy
对。
to you, Happy
对啊！来看我去你上次信啊 ，1, 2, 3, Happy birthday to you, Happy birthday to you, Happy birthday to Calvin, Happy birthday to you， 祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐！耶！喜宴，然后 everybody want to blow the cake with you.
Ready?
You want to blow? You want to blow?
One, two, three, go! The birthday boy.
Birthday boy. Where's my phone?
Tangkan natin sumbian na Sama, you want chicken wing or drumstick? And a Thai. Okay.
意大利面来人。
好。
然后那回到家中午，你就到等面一下就可以吃了。好。来。
Okay. Hindi natin kasi. Apat na, apat. The carbonara ha? I just got sauce inside na ha?
还有锅。
Pasta.
Ako niya ma, ako kung dito na ako dito ano ilang ano may na. Ano kung saan din tara ako pa uli ka ako.
累，他睡觉了我就轻松，睡觉很累。
Mama, like this.
妈咪是跑去你们在这打球啊？
跟他的他现在
妈妈回来哪里打球啊？
他跟他妈咪讲可以7天，他妈咪在那个5 day，他讲7 day。
Only ka?
有过后，他要看电视剧。来，等一下哈，11点多睡觉。哎呦妈咪，哎呦妈咪。
Tama, I think enough this one.
Enough
ha?
那讲完了，我帮你量，就你量。哎，宝宝要动气。
$50 Okay, this one for Yeye.
From Yeye. Thank you, Yeye.
Wow. Yeye and who? Nainay.
Yeye, Nainay. Thank you, Yeye, Nainay. $2.
This one, Mommy. This one, Mommy.
Mommy. Pang.
Don't open na.
$26. Thank you, Mommy. 10 more shoes. Ooh. Look. Thank you, Mommy. Then the last.
Hi guys. So, paalis tayo. Paalis tayo today. Pupunta tayo ng ano tawag dito? Aukang Mall. So, ang natin ngayon, ang video for today natin ngayon is Alden buy everything he want. Dahil birthday niya. So, yun yung ano niya. Yun yung kanyang birthday present. So, ito ang ating OTDD. Yan. Itong ano to, galing from Uniqlo. I have a key already. Yeah, I get a key.
I want to go.
So, let's go. Okay. Meow, 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 meow. What's that? Bang, bang. Time. Yeah. Wait, can you help me put inside? No, we need to go now because it's raining. Oh, it's rain already. I have 2 outside. Nice? You like this one? Ah. What are you doing to my feet? Yan, nandito na kami sa bahay. So, wala pa lang nabili kanina si Kuya sa sa store na pinuntahan namin sa mall. Kasi wala doon yung mga mga bet niyang what you call it, mga laruan, ganyan. So, ayun.